Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this problem. There are a number of different ways of solving this, but I think the approach I'm about to show you is the best. Some people use complex algebra, some people use logs. If you can find a quicker or easier way, please let me know in the comments below. Why not pause the video now and give it a go? Okay, let's start with 2 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of y equals, and I'm going to write 216 as 6 cubed. I'm also going to put this equal to c, and c is just a variable. Now let's just consider these two terms, 2 to the x and c. Now if I take 2 to the x and raise it to the power of 1 over x, I just get 2. And if I do the same to c, I get c to the power of 1 over x. And if we now consider 3 to the y and c, and take a similar approach by raising to the power of 1 over y, we get 3 equals c to the 1 over y. And finally, looking at 6 cubed and c, and raising both to the power of a third, we get 6 equals c to the power of a third. Now, 2 times 3 equals 6. Therefore, c to the 1 over x multiplied by c to the 1 over y equals c to the 1 over 3. When we multiply the same number raised to different powers, we can just add the powers. So this becomes c to the power of 1 over x plus 1 over y equals c to the third. Now we have two terms with similar bases, both c, therefore the powers must be the same. So we get 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1/3. And that's the answer. Did you get it?